Let's say you're managing a project-based business, and you need to invoice your clients in phases based on the progress of their projects. You have a Power BI report, and the data source is Google BigQuery. As analysts, we create calculated columns to compare the invoice amounts with the actual project funding. Wouldn't it be great if those invoice amounts could be updated automatically? In this video, we'll walk through an SQL update query that does exactly that directly in Google BigQuery. Imagine you have multiple ongoing projects, and for each one, you're billing your client in 3 stages based on project milestones or deliverables. The first invoice is sent at the start of the project and charges 25% of the total actual funding, which includes any approved changes or variations to the original budget. This might be after the project kickoff or initial planning phase. The second invoice charges another 25%, typically issued after a major project milestone like design completion, development, or reaching the halfway point. And the third invoice charges the remaining 50% once the project is fully delivered, accepted, and closed. Since the total funding amount may change over time due to variation requests or scope changes, it's important that your invoice calculations always reflect the most up-to-date actual amount, not just the original budget. This staged billing approach ensures steady cash flow for your business while providing your clients with transparent and milestone-based payment expectations. These invoices are sent to the client as part of a structured billing process, and keeping them accurate and in sync with actual project funding is essential to avoid confusion, underbilling, or delays in payment. We start by numbering each invoice per project using row_number. This tells us whether it's the first, second, or third invoice to be sent to the client. We also calculate the total amount that should be billed, including any approved funding variations. Then we update the amount _due field. If it's the first or second invoice, we set the amount due to 25% of the total funding. If it's the third, we set it to 50%. Any invoice beyond that, we leave it as is. That way, each client invoice reflects exactly what's due for that stage of the project. With this single query, you've automated your client billing based on project funding. No manual calculations, no missed payments. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of human error. In manual setups, it's easy to miscalculate invoice amounts, especially when funding changes due to approved variations or adjustments. Those mistakes can lead to underbilling, overbilling, or disputes with clients, all of which can delay payments and damage your credibility. By using this query, you ensure that every invoice reflects the correct percentage of the most up-to-date funding amount, including any variations. It keeps your data consistent across your billing system, your reports in Power BI, and your financial records. In short, it's a smart, scalable solution that helps your team stay accurate, transparent, and professional, no matter how many projects you're managing.